we are going to review top 5 best heavy-duty sewing machine for leather. List number 1. Singer 4423 Sewing Machine. The Singer 4423 sewing machine is noted as being a heavy-duty sewing machine. This sewing machine works well with leather and other heavy-weight fabrics, suitable for making clothing and home furnishings. The inner frame on this sewing machine is metal, which gives it a more solid feeling. It's a simple machine, with dials and knobs rather than electronic buttons. Comes with a 25-year limited warranty. Overall, this is a solid machine for anyone that wants a basic mechanical machine that can sew leather up to a medium thickness, with many stitch options. List number 2. Brother ST371 HD Sewing Machine. The Brother Strong and Tough Sewing Machine is another mechanical machine that can handle leather and other heavy-weight materials. This sewing machine is not only strong and tough for leather and other fabrics like denim and canvas, but it can also sew lighter fabrics beautifully as well. The addition of varied sewing machine feet means you won't be needing to buy many additional accessories on top. This sewing machine has had some great and some not so great feedback regarding its sewing capabilities. List number 3. Singer Heavy Duty 4411 Sewing Machine. A speedy machine from Singer, capable of sewing 1100 stitches per minute. The second Singer machine on this list of leather sewing machines. This one is more heavy-duty than the Singer 4423 we looked at first of all. With a heavy-duty internal frame made from metal, this machine is a bit of a beast under the plastic. 1100 stitches per minute makes for some speedy sewing. Metal inner frame makes this machine quite a solid option. Great for other heavyweight materials like denim and canvas. List number 4. Janome H1000 Heavy Duty Sewing Machine. The Janome H1000 is a mechanical sewing machine that can handle leather and other medium to heavyweight materials. Sometimes you just want a basic machine that can do the job you need doing. This Janome is just such a machine with 13 stitch types, multiple sewing machine feet, and automatic needle threader. A nice weighty machine. The Janome H1000 is a winner for sewing beginners who think they may want to sew leather at some point. List number 5. REX Portable Walking Foot Sewing Machine. A true walking foot leather sewing machine. I love a dedicated walking foot sewing machine. I talk about them in this guide to sewing machine types, and this one from Rex has some great reviews. Not only does this Rex machine sew leather beautifully, but it should also be able to handle other materials that have a tendency to stick. Industrial quality sewing machine at a sensible price point. Option to buy more feet from SaleRite. Great for heavy leathers and other heavyweight fabrics.